radio.
Let's go right now, come on!
Darn, I just got that arm back.
Can I ask you a question?
Yes.
Are you related?
Yes.
What are you gonna sing?
Fall.
I can't wait to see the look on their face once they hear this!
Did you see the look on his face?
Yeah, did you see his ears?
I didn't know they could turn inside out like that. Now, how are we gonna get your record on the radio?
What record?
I got an idea.
Fallen.
We just have to play your record from the top of this antenna.
Carry me?
Uh,
Tally-ho! Mush! Onward and upward! Faster, SpongeBob, faster!
Fallen.
Wow. Okay.
Well, this record won't stay put. Good idea.
Fallen.
Wow. Okay.
Oh, yeah, I forgot.
Who's responsible for that song on the radio?
Why, he's right here. Patrick Star, musical genius.
Let's get him, boys!